I just picked it up, I suppose, here and there, and I would have been better off, when I did start, if I had come out to Gussie and Michael. But, as Micheline Conlon said to somebody one time, when this person wanted Micheline to give him lessons in the concertina, and Micheline said, yeah, he says, and the fellow said, well, when will we start? He says, right now, he says, just play along with me, But I felt that there was a lot of nurture there playing with them, and half the battle really is encouragement and acceptance, and they were more than accepting. I think they were delighted, that I was playing music. And, I didn't get the early start, which is a pity, but when I did start, it changed my life. And so that's why I feel such gratitude, to these fellas again, that they were there, and it probably meant a lot to them too, to have a local man coming around, appreciating what they were doing and all that, So.